Hello and welcome back to Digital Assets Daily. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in your corner of the world. I wanted to get into a few articles of history just for those of you who are unaware and for the new investor, just to show you the power of Stellar. Transferto partners with Stellar.org to bolster international money transfers. We're going to get into this, and by the end of the article, I believe if you are a Stellar investor, that you will be a little bit more excited than you are right now. Today, Transferto is excited to announce that it is partnering with Stellar.org to further enhance the way in which money is transferred across borders, and under this collaboration, financial institutions and partners of both Stellar.org and Transferto will benefit from the combined network coverage and be able to leverage new technologies to send and receive money more efficiently to more than 70 countries. Stellar is a distributed and open source blockchain platform that connects diverse financial systems and facilitates cross-asset transfers of value around the world. Stellar's DLT, or distributed ledger, provides an instant clearing, settlement, and execution platform, enabling value to move across borders directly between banks and payment gateways. Transferto operates a cross-border mobile payments network for emerging markets, which interconnects financial institutions and digital financial service providers globally. Like the Transferto network, Stellar also provides these benefits of real-time, secure, and low-cost transfers. By integrating with Stellar, Transferto will enable a more seamless and efficient settlement method between its network partners. Aik-Boon, the chief customer officer at Transferto, says, "We always aim to be the forefront of the payments industry, and by partnering with Stellar, our goal is to trial the blockchain technology and scale our cross-border payment service to better serve our partners and reduce cost. This can enable our partners to better serve both the migrant workers sending money home and their families receiving it." Lisa Nestor, the director of partnerships at Stellar.org, says, "Transferto is a leader and innovator in the remittance space and has extensive experience and reach in emerging markets. We're thrilled to be partnering with Transferto to offer an expanded network for our current and future partners, as well as continue to drive greater financial inclusion for the underbanked." Stellar is designed for the retail aspect of the three-tier banking system. There's wholesale, retail, and cross-border. XRP is focused on the wholesale, and it also does cross-border. Stellar is more focused on the retail aspect, and it also does cross-border. So between the two, you can see how they easily are running the new financial system. Another partner of Thunes is Singtel. Singtel and AIS debut VIA, Asia's first cross-border mobile payment alliance with Transferto. The Singtel Group today launched VIA, its cross-border mobile payment alliance, with its regional associate AIS and Aik-Boon Bank, Thailand's largest digital bank. Singtel AIS will now offer QR code-based mobile payments through mobile wallets, and Singtel Dash AIS Global Pay and Rabbit Line Pay across both Singapore and Thailand. These can be used at all merchants displaying the VIA brand, and over 1.6 million Aik-Boon Bank merchants displaying the Thai QR code. The VIA Alliance is the first initiative of its kind to connect both telco and non-telco mobile wallets across borders to create a region-wide payment network that will enable consumers to use their local mobile wallets when traveling. The Singtel Group will progressively expand this alliance to include other regional associates, Airtel in India, Globe in the Philippines, and Telkomsel in Indonesia, working within each country's regulations, and non-telcos, including China's Ping and e-wallet, owned by Ping and Insurance Group. And Mr. Arthur Lang, CEO of Singtel's International Group, said, "This is a game changer for the Singtel Group and the region. The VIA Alliance is aimed at unifying Asia's fragmented payment scene by connecting different mobile wallet systems across the region. As more people travel around the region, we want them to be able to enjoy the ease and familiarity of using their local mobile wallets abroad. Via will enhance the payment experience for millions of consumers, including our group's customer base of more than 700 million. We see a tremendous opportunity to drive the adoption of mobile payments, which supports ASEAN's push towards financial inclusion and vision of a single digital market. In 2017, there were more than 80 million tourist arrivals across the Singtel Group's markets in Asia. Of this, over 1.5 million visitors traveled between Singapore and Thailand, and the numbers are expected to grow steadily. Mr. Somchai Lertsutiwong, CEO of AIS, said AIS is collaborating with Singtel and Aik-Boon Bank to proactively drive the cashless society forward. We place great importance on the continued development of services to meet the growing demand for mobile payments. This partnership offers Thais a seamless digital payment experience at home and abroad, and adds a new dimension which will take the cashless society to the next level. AIS would like to thank all strategic partners and business operators who realize the importance of a cashless society for uniting to create the VIA service, led by Aik-Boon Bank, Central Group, and a wide range of shops from famous brands to medium and small stores. More than 1.6 million participating merchants nationwide are ready to welcome Singaporeans visiting Thailand. The VIA Alliance will promote Thailand's tourism in the digital era and is in line with the government's digital economy policy based on Thailand's 4.0 model. I'm not sure if you can hear the construction going on here. My apologies if you can, and again, it has me as well slightly distracted, but we'll get through this video together. Mr. Yuan Kwan Moon, the CEO of Consumer Singapore, Singtel, said, "We are extremely excited to give Dash customers the ability to use their wallets in Thailand and soon even more countries in the region. Now our customers not only stay connected with our mobile roaming service when overseas, they also have a roaming wallet which they can use to make purchases while abroad. The best thing is with VIA, they don't need to change the way they use Dash at home or abroad. We will continue to forge strategic partnerships and innovate the Dash wallet to make it the most inclusive all-in-one mobile wallet for our customers. VIA provides a transparent, seamless, and secure way for travelers to use their mobile wallets to pay in their home currencies at competitive exchange rates when in Singapore and Thailand. This frees them from the hassle of carrying foreign currency and incurring cross-border transaction fees for small and mid-sized merchants who may not accept credit and debit cards. Adopting VIA can be more cost-effective and can also expand their customer base. VIA is open to other mobile payment apps, which will gain instant access to the merchant and customer bases of Alliance members across the region, and VIA works with Transferto as a payment platform partner. And again, Transferto is the partner of Stellar. And how will the local wallets travel? With over 500,000 registered users, Singtel Dash is the only all-in-one payment solution in Singapore, and that allows users to commute, shop, and send money locally and overseas. It is available to everyone, regardless of telco or banking relationship or device model. When in Thailand, customers can use Singtel Dash for entertainment, purchasing mobile payments solution in Singapore that allows users to commute, shop, and send money locally and overseas. It is available to everyone regardless of telco or banking relationship or device model. And when in Thailand, customers can use Singtel Dash for entertainment, purchasing food and beverage and goods at shops displaying the VIA logo and Thai QR code. This includes popular shopping malls such as Central World, Chatuchak, Weekend Market, and the MBK Center and JJ Mall, and a wide range of shops from famous local brands to small and mid-sized stores. To make purchases, consumers can simply scan the merchant's QR code or let merchants scan their unique QR code in the Dash app. The VIA service is accessible to more than 42 million line chat users in Thailand, Among them are over 5 million Rabbit Line Pay users who just need to download AIS Global Pay to use the e-wallet feature on Rabbit Line Pay when in Singapore. Consumers can pay for taxi rides, services, or dining at thousands of merchant points, including Comfort Delgro, Singapore's largest taxi company, KFC, Pizza Hut, Bread Talk, and even 7-Eleven. To celebrate the launch of the service between Singapore and Thailand, Singtel Dash is offering a slew of perks that include a 10% cash back on all of the Singtel Dash payments made in Thailand, and S5 for 1 gigabyte of data roaming in Thailand for Singtel customers. AIS Global Pay is offering a THB 100 real-time cashback for Rabbit Line Pay users on their first purchase of more than THB 100 in Singapore. And that's just the Thai baht for 100. Now here's where it gets very exciting. As we have shown that Stellar is connected to Western Union, here we go back into that little rabbit hole again. We showed also last week in video that Stellar is now also partnered with MoneyGram. So let's get into this. Western Union ties up with Stellar-backed Thunes for direct mobile wallet transfers. With the help of Stellar-backed Thunes, Western Union is going to allow its clients to transfer funds directly to mobile wallets globally. As has become known, the world's leading operator of cross-border and cross-currency money transfers, Western Union, has entered into a partnership with Thunes, a Stellar-backed cross-border payments network built for emerging markets. The main aim of Western Union and Thunes, previously known as Transferto cooperation, is to allow Western Union clients to transfer funds directly into the recipient's mobile wallets around the world. Earlier, Thunes worked together with Stellar Project on testing the integration of blockchain-powered settlements on its network, and with this collaboration, Western Union will allow the use of Western Union's digital network or Western Union agent locations to transfer funds directly to the recipient's mobile wallet. This is believed to enhance user experience and make transfer options more convenient. And speaking about their new initiative, Sobia Raman, the global head of account payout network for Western Union, stated, "We are continuously expanding and enhancing our account payout portfolio, providing customers with multiple payout options, including bank accounts, cards, or mobile wallets. Our goal is to make digital money transfer services more accessible, with a specific focus on enabling mobile transactions." The company also believes that move will ensure financial inclusion all over the world by connecting people to alternative payment solutions such as mobile wallets. Indeed, this way will make finance more accessible for those who do not have a possibility to use banking services due to the lack of traditional financial service providers in their region. The CEO of Thunes, Steve Vickers, has also expressed his team's excitement about this new conjunctive initiative, and he said, "We are delighted to be working with Western Union to provide global reach for their customers. Our payments platform seamlessly interconnects payment providers globally and enables interoperability between diverse payment systems, and by utilizing our vast networks, Western Union customers will now have more flexibility when sending money across borders." The Western Union and crypto-related techs. Meanwhile, it is not the first attempt of Western Union to work with blockchain-based technology. Since 2018, it has been cooperating with Ripple to test its payment solutions. Moreover, Western Union's management expressed a very positive stance towards XRapid, which is now only XRP. As we have shown, Ripple has been working with Western Union for years. We've now shown a few different times on how they're also working with Stellar. We've shown throughout the last, obviously the channel is 6 months new. We've shown that Ripple has a major partner for MoneyGram, and we also show that MoneyGram is a partner of Stellar. So you can see how Stellar and Ripple, as your investment would go to XRP and XLM, are the two most important digital assets in the brand new financial system, the quantum financial system that is happening right now all around us in the fourth industrial revolution. Let's finish this article really quick. In February, it was revealed that Western Union was working on cryptocurrency gateways and other related corridors utilizing Ripple tech, which, as they claim, makes payments more cost and time efficient. Moreover, earlier Western Union Global Money Transfer President Odilon Alameda also stated that the company is ready to adopt any kind of currency, and here cryptocurrency comes as no exception, as, in fact, the company sees little difference between crypto payments and traditional digital transfers. As for Stellar, the project is rapidly growing. Just recently has been disclosed that 6 international banks, together with 2 major U.S. ones, are going to issue their own fiat-backed stablecoins on IBM's Stellar-based cross-border payment network. And the major thought to concern with IBM is IBM is already connected to 97% of all major global banks. So IBM is extremely massive, going all the way back to 1947. So IBM is a very big supporter and base for Stellar. Next article we want to get into is something I've said the same with Stellar and Ripple. And I have video that I've shared on Twitter to kind of reassure that thought from a different perspective from the SEC chair, as he was stating in reference to security to commodity. He says where a cryptocurrency may have started off as a security, over time it becomes a commodity. Then he discusses the fact of how cryptocurrencies start with one name and they become 2. That connects to this article of Transferto rebrands as DT1 and Thunes, as we've shown Transferto and Thunes as a partner of Stellar. Let's get into the article. The cross-border mobile payments firm Transferto has rebranded as 2 separate company brands, logos, and identities, reports Anthony Payton of FinTech Futures, Finovate's sister publication. And that's exactly what happened with Ripple and Stellar, as we have said it here. Rebranded the company as 2 separate company brands, logos, and identities, because everywhere in the new financial system, they are working together. Its mobile top-up and rewards business, founded in 2005, has now changed its name to DT1. According to Transferto, last year this business delivered more than a 30% increase in both revenue and transaction volume. In parallel, the cross-border payments business, which started in 2016, has branched off to operate independently from DT1 and has been renamed to Thunes. This business will focus on providing interoperability between payment systems and supplying solutions for emerging economies. In 2018, this business saw nearly 900% growth in revenue and processed over $2 billion worth of transactions. Peter D. Kalu, the DT1 CEO and Thunes executive chairman, said, "The industry is continually evolving, and we see this change as an important next step to better position ourselves to capitalize on the growth opportunities in this rapidly changing market. The use of new brands is effectively immediately and will be fully implemented in both business across Q1 2019, and Transferto says perhaps its final words that its network interconnects with more than 550 mobile operators across 160 countries. The DT1 team is headquartered in Singapore with regional offices in Dubai, Miami, and London. The Thunes team is headquartered in Singapore with regional offices in London and Miami. Transferto demonstrated its mobile money hub at Finovate fall 2015. And I loved to share this article because it was almost word for word what I've always said with Ripple and Stellar. I want to finish off this video with a final thought. You must do the things you think you cannot do. Again, guys, this is not financial advice. It is for entertainment purposes only. And if you hold Ripple and Stellar or XRP and XLM as an investor, then you are looking to have a very bright future. Much love to all of you, and we'll catch you in the next one.